You know, I hate to talk about this as much as you're gonna hate to hear me talk about it. But one of these days you're gonna say, thank you, Queen. I'm talking about that deadly diaper blowout. The diaper didn't work the way it should, and you've got that little onesie that really needs help. So the first thing we want to do to clean it is we want to rinse it out. Now, one way you can do that, and it's been done for years by people who use cloth diapers, is to make sure you have a cleanly flushed toilet and take that onesie and dip it up and down in the water to get that cleaned out. Then put it in a bucket or a container and take it to your laundry room. But how do we get that stain out? Because it's a protein-based stain, so this is what we're gonna do. First of all, of course, you flush it out in the toilet, or if you wet it down good, whatever works for you is fine, as long as you wet it down and rinse it out. Then we're gonna take some hydrogen peroxide. Now, hydrogen peroxide is natural. People use it on cuts and things like that. It's safe for your baby clothes. And we're gonna spray it on. Now, you wanna saturate that stain really, really well. Don't just lightly spray it. Really put it on, because we need it to eat and digest the protein in that stain to get it out. We're gonna let that sit, and we're gonna let it soak for a while. Don't be in a hurry. Let it sit for maybe 15, 20 minutes. You can even let it sit overnight if it fits your schedule better. Then we're gonna take a brush. Now, I like to label my brush for this, so I don't use it on anything else, but whatever you wanna do is fine. And we're gonna just take it and we're gonna start and we're gonna work it in. Now, of course, maybe you wanna wear rubber gloves. It's all up to you. And you're gonna work it in really, really well. Then you're gonna respray it again. Just get it right on there. Let it soak again. And you can see that it's starting to come out that quickly. When you're done, launder it as usual. Don't put it in the dryer until you look to be sure the stain is gone. So, diaper blowout, no problem now if you're cleaning the Queen of Clean way. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.